In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana on Photon. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Photon. From here, go ahead and go to the top right and select over here where it says Wallet Management, and you just want to go ahead and press on it like so. Then it is going to take us to a page that looks like this. From here, we can go ahead and deposit how much Solana we actually want to use on Photon, because in order to actually trade on Photon and like buy meme coins and stuff like that, you will need a little bit of Solana. So we actually have two main ways to actually get Solana on Photon. So we have a specific amount over here, and this will basically take Solana from the wallet connected to your Solana account. So for example, let's go ahead and do something small like 0.1 like so. And then we need to go ahead and press on this option that does say deposit. And then it is going to open something like Phantom Wallet up. So let's go ahead and enter in our password. And then it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction. So unfortunately for my instance, this is going to fail because I have insufficient Solana in my account. However, if you do have lots of Solana on your Phantom wallet, then you should be good to go. But yeah, it's going to give you like a small network fee as well and stuff like that. But that is one way you guys can go ahead and deposit Solana onto Photon. However, there's another and honestly more easier way. We can go ahead and deposit with MoonPay. So let's go ahead and select on MoonPay like so. And then you guys can go ahead and press on this option. And this basically allows you to use things like Google Pay and like your debit or credit card in order to go ahead and actually purchase Solana. So let's go ahead and press on deposit like so. And then it's going to take us to a gateway to Web3. So yeah, you can go ahead and enter in how much money you want. I believe the minimum is around $20. So yeah, you need to go ahead and actually, put in at least $20. And then all you need to do is press on continue. Then go ahead and enter in your email address. Go ahead and press on continue like so. And then it's going to send a verification code. So let's go ahead and check our email really quickly. So unfortunately, for some regions, this option will not work. However, if you do live in certain areas, then it may actually work for you. So it's always, a good idea to check if it is available in your region. So unfortunately, it's not available in our region, but you know what? That is okay. You guys could always go ahead and select on a specific amount and then go ahead and deposit Solana using Phantom Wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.